In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see dimensions in Canva. If you're working on a design and need to confirm its size, Canva makes this very easy to check. Knowing your design dimensions is useful when you're preparing content for social media presentations, print materials, or anything else where size matters. This quick process helps you verify that you're working with the correct layout before you continue editing or exporting your project. To begin, open your design in Canva. Make sure you're inside the project you want to check, not just on the Canva homepage or dashboard. Once the design is open, you'll be able to access the file settings and view key details about that specific project. Next, move your attention to the top left area of the Canva interface and click on File. This opens a drop-down menu with several options related to your design. If you've never used this menu before, it's a helpful place to find information and settings connected to the current file. When the file drop-down appears, look toward the top area of that menu. There, Canva shows basic information about your design, including its dimensions. This is where you can quickly confirm the width and height of the file you're working on. Depending on the type of project, those dimensions may be displayed in pixels or another format. But the key point is that the size is listed right there in the file information section. This is especially helpful if you're double-checking whether a design matches the required size for a platform or purpose. For example, if you're creating a post, banner, flyer, or presentation, checking the dimensions here can save time and help you avoid resizing later. And that's it. That's how to see dimensions in Canva. It's a very simple feature, but it can be incredibly useful when you want to stay accurate and organized while designing. Anytime you're unsure about the size of your Canva project, just open the design, click File in the top left, and look at the information shown at the top of the drop-down menu. Once you know where to find it, it only takes a few seconds. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you quickly find your Canva design dimensions.